One Ted just wanted to make do an unboxing video, and this says Thunder Buddies for life. By the way, this is this is Ted the Bear from Ted 2 or Ted 1 because he was in both. But that's that. Unfortunately, there is no tail, which, you know, he had a tail in the movie. I don't know why they didn't give him a tail on here. But I'll move you over here and we'll do an unboxing of something I got in the mail to replace my Keurig coffee maker that broke on me. Move you down some so you can see better. I got this from Target. I ordered it, I think, 2 days ago, and it was supposed to come on the 16th, but somehow I got it today. I'll show you what I can of it. I don't know if it'll show in frame good, but that's it. Ninja coffee maker. It's the cold cold and hot brew, so it'll do your it'll do classic, rich, over ice, cold brew, specialty brews, and a bunch of different kinds of teas and everything. This is the quick start guide and the other manual, and it's got recipes in it. This is the frother. Let's get it open. I'll show it to you. And the frother, it's got your lock and off. You can put, now this is dishwasher safe. It's just like, looks like one of those little handheld ones right there, the way that's done. I've still not actually took this out of the box or looked at it or nothing. Move that out of the way. They sent it in a box, and then I took it out of a box that's way too big for it, and then they had another box I had to take out to get to this box. See if we can get something small out without having to take the coffee maker out. Might not be able to. Okay, here we go. This right here is for your tea leaves. So this is designed for your teas and all this is dishwasher safe. Every bit of it can be taken apart. You can take this bottom part off and wash it with the spring. And then it has your little mesh. So if you're not doing tea leaves or tea bags, you know, you're not doing the ones in the bags, then you don't need this. You can just put that in there and let the thing hang out. But if you're doing loose leaf tea, then you stick this down inside here, make sure it clicks into place, and it'll look like that. And that keeps you from getting any of that in your into your coffee. I mean, not coffee, into your tea. I mean, talk straight. Okay, that's all that's in the box. I actually took my old Keurig apart just to see what it was made of. And it had a huge pump in the middle of the old one for such a tiny little coffee maker. But I decided to get this because I already had another coffee maker, but had the and that was my 4th Keurig, you know, and I thought, no, I don't need to get a 5th one, you know. Even though I did like everything you could do with the Keurig, but I decided it's time to upgrade to something better. Getting all this tape off. Trying to get this cardboard out so I can pull it out and show it to you. But it won't let me get it out. This right here, I think, is Now there's two options this year. There's one that's a little bit pricier, but the only thing is that makes it more pricier is it comes with a stainless steel carafe. This one comes with a glass carafe, and I'd rather have glass because it's got a heating element on it that will keep it warm anyhow. So you're automatically keeping it warm. Now I got this package. So this is the glass carafe. You don't want to drop it or you'll break it. This is all new to me. Okay, you turn that to unlock it, I think. Yeah, you gotta turn it to unlock it. That's what it pours down inside of. And that's the opening. You can do iced tea, any kind of iced tea in this. Or you can do coffee in it. You can do either one. It let me putting it back on for some reason. I'll have to do that off camera. Now here is the coffee maker itself. That's it. Right there. The whole thing. It has, when you're doing all your travel cups and everything, you can do like a regular size travel cup, an extra large, you do a regular size mug or an extra large mug. Same thing with your teas and everything. And it's got your heating plate. And then it's also got this that you put down for when you're doing your cups, you know, which is to set it on. And then it folds right back up. You got your clean button, your power on, y'all. And you turn the selector dial right there. You turn this selector dial right here to for when you're doing just teas, you know, or you're doing coffee select from them. And you got your stay warm, your delay, your hours and your minutes. And then you got that for if you want it to go ahead and make a cup and stop it from dripping and stuff. And then that's for the different settings, you know. And then you've also got your water reservoir on the side, which is removable. I think it's only 50 ounces. But when you remove it, you also can open this up, or you can take the whole lid off when you're filling it. You got cord wrap on it. It comes with this right here. And then it's got your measure, it tells you on it what sizes you need to do for your, how many scoops and everything on it. For your teas and your coffees and whatnot. And it just, I'll show you where it goes. I can put it on right. Don't really matter which way you got it. But when you're not using it and you got it clean, not using it, it stores right there on the side. This right here is what your frother it goes on. And you just store it up when you're not using it, and then it's got its little push button right there to activate it. And then one other thing, if I can get it out, you just pull it out. And this is for your coffee. You can use, if you don't want to use this, you can also just use the disposable bags. But this right here is for all your, this is for your coffees, because it's got the coffee bean to it. And it knows which one of these you got in there. And this right here just slides out like any normal coffee maker would slide out. which is nice. And I think it can actually come off somehow and go in the dishwasher. I'm not for sure. But that's everything about that. Just thought I'd let y'all know about it. That way, if you ever, you know, if you hadn't seen one or want to see it, you can. I'll just, and whenever you're going to use it, you have to go through a priming setting where you run water through it, then run water through it a second time, using this right here, and then after you're through, then it's ready to be used. Hope you like it. Peace out.